Hello! In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to add location in Google Maps. First, you accept the Google Map. Next, you find the place address that you want to add on Google. Scroll down a little bit. Here, you can see you can add a missing place, which means this is not your place. You just want to help the owner to add this location on Google Map. Or you can add your businesses here. But I will start with add a missing place. So you can add the place name is required. Remember to fill it in. And with the category, I will choose restaurant. You can also fill in the location within and add more details like hours, contact numbers, or website, and the opening date as well. You can add more photo if you have. And finally, choose submit. Because it's not a real place, so I won't do it. When you choose the submit, the Google Map will send you the notification like this. Your edit has been accepted to your email. We are done. I hope this video helped you and thank you for watching.